Hello, my name is Ryan Gray. I'm a 12th grader. I'm a senior at Blue Valley North High School. My interest in teacher education, I decided to do a second semester because I wanted to be an engineer and I wanted to help like innovate school systems and things like that. And my future educational plans, I'm planning on going to North Carolina A&T next year. And then we're going to talk about my resume and some of my observations, lesson plans, and some of the things that I've done so far, and some of my responses and things I've done this year. Okay, so this is my Wix page. And about me, it's basically what I just said. I'm a senior at North. Um, and first semester I was in engineering. The second semester I am in teacher education. And I'm happy that I got to see like the other side of teacher education and how things are worked. Because normally I'm the student that sits in the chairs, but it was cool to actually be like a teacher and see how like the classrooms actually operated and all the working things that are into play on how it's operated. And then, like I said, in the future, I'm going to North Carolina to finish and advance my softball career. And I'm going to major in architectural engineering, minoring in business, and hopefully I could open up my own engineering firm. So with that, like I stated, like I love like innovating things. So basically, with this slide, I was talking about how like classrooms from over 250 years ago are still set in the same rows as they were as they are now. And then if you look back, you'll see like an old phone and like old cars. Now we're driving Porsches, and we have iPhones, and we really like innovated as a society. But yeah, our classrooms has not. So this is one of my designs. And let's click for more drawings. So I made a whole PowerPoint on my drawings. I made a total of, sorry, 4 classrooms. So this is classroom one, and this is more of like a collaborative classroom. Then you have the collaboration here. Then you have like the teacher's desk and the file cabinet, and then you have the chairs. And then here's more alternatives classrooms. And you have a more collaborative area in the middle of desks, and the students could work around whenever they're doing like individual things, and the same as here. And then up here would be like the projector or like the smart board. And then here's the teacher desk, file cabinet, and file cabinet. And then this is my favorite design that I did. I love the rectangle and eye shape table. Then you have the little individual desk, and then you have the couch, which I think would be more comfortable and stuff in a good way for students to learn. I know some of my classes here at BVN, we have like bean bags and comfortable chairs that really help students like focus and just relax from 7 hours of school. And then this is my next idea is focus on collaboration. In the middle of the table is like laptops and computers that are wireless. And I think that more classrooms need more like technology, more advanced and things like that. And then this is my final classroom. I kind of got this idea from the fishbowl actually at CAPS with that glass thing that students could do, and as well as like that little office. So on this side you can have like the classroom and things, and then on this side you can have like collaborative space and like work area for students. So going back, okay. So other things I've did. This is my resume. You can just open this. So this is my resume. So like I said, first semester I was in engineering, so I got the opportunity to have an internship with the international engineering company Black and Veatch. So I did a couple of things with them. I like redesigned their north side patio, and I did a project for them in South Africa. And other things I do like community service. I'm on the radio station and things like that. So that's my resume. Okay. And then another thing I was able to do as in education for CAPS Teacher Ed was I was able to work with I Am Med Delivery. So I got the opportunity to make this poster for them. Yep, this poster that I did for them. So I got to do that. And then unfortunately, I went back to BBN, so I did my observations here. So I got to work in the peer tutoring room. I don't know why the picture won't. Okay, whatever. But anyway, I got to work in the peer tutoring room. So this is a picture of me working with a student and then walking another student to class. This was like a really good opportunity for me because I never really worked with kids with special needs, and it was nice to get to see how they live their life and how it's different than a classroom, and then also made me broaden my horizons in what their classroom design should be set up like also. And like I just gave props to the teachers. Like it was fun being in there. Some days were harder than others depending on like the students' attitudes and things like that. And yeah, that's my weeks.